Do you know how to use LinkedIn as a lead generation tool? How can you leverage it? What are the most effective ways of utilizing it to create leads? The following video will explain how you can use the web social networking site to generate leads in your online business. First, you need to understand that LinkedIn is an incredible resource for business owners. It has an amazing list of contacts, and it allows users to post their profiles, add friends, and post comments about other users. When they search for a business by name or by their industry, they usually will find it on one of the many networks listed on the site. Second, if you are serious about generating leads with LinkedIn, you need to get creative. For example, if you are a consultant in your field, and you want to connect with other consultants, you may want to add their profiles to your own LinkedIn network. This way, they can reach your customers directly and see what you are all about. Third, you should consider creating a profile for your company or service on LinkedIn. This way, if people search for a particular service or product, they can be easily led to your profile on the social networking site. Fourth, you can also send out newsletters to your potential clients. To send out these newsletters, you will need to add their email addresses to your list of contacts. Then, whenever they sign up for a newsletter, you can send them a personalized email inviting them to sign up. Fifth, you can make a connection with other people on LinkedIn. For example, you can create a group where members of your firm can interact. By creating a public group, you can give them a sense of belonging in a network that is similar to a traditional business networking group. Sixth, you can use LinkedIn to build your reputation within the online community. For example, you can post comments on other people's blogs. If you comment well, you can help spread the word about your business. And if you leave a comment that is negative, you can make others see the error of their ways. Seventh, you can leverage LinkedIn to create links to your website. For example, if you are selling an ebook, you can post a link to the sale page where the ebook is sold on the social network. Once people buy the ebook, you can link to the sale page on your website. Eighth, you can even hire a professional who can manage your LinkedIn profile. This way, you do not have to do all of the work yourself, and you can focus on other aspects of your business. You can even add your LinkedIn profile to all of your social networking sites. You can invite all of your friends to link to your business page on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, and so forth. Ninth, you can even do all of the marketing for your business with LinkedIn. You can use LinkedIn's marketing tools to reach out to prospective customers through your profile. 10th, you can build your business on LinkedIn through other forms of networking. For example, you can join groups related to your business and start conversations on a variety of topics. So, as you can see, you can use LinkedIn for lead generation. It is easy to do, and it takes very little effort. You will need to choose the type of LinkedIn group or community you want to join. Make sure it is relevant to the type of work you do, and you will have many more people that are interested in the types of jobs that you do. In addition to groups, you can also join LinkedIn groups that are specifically targeted to your industry. There are a number of forums that are not just focused on networking with people in your industry, but also with people in your field that are outside of your industry. If you want to take advantage of LinkedIn as a tool for lead generation, it is important to know the best places to get started. You can search for them by type and topic.